In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view full screen in Excel. If you're working with a large worksheet or presenting data, switching to full screen gives you more room to focus by hiding extra interface elements. It clears away distractions like the ribbon and other controls, so your grid and charts take center stage. Here's how to do it smoothly and confidently. First, look toward the top right corner of your Excel window for the ribbon display options icon. This small control sits near the window buttons and manages how much of the interface you see. Clicking it opens a compact menu that controls the visibility of your tabs and commands. If your Excel window is narrow, you might need to maximize it first to spot the icon more easily. Once you've found it, go ahead and click to open the options. Next, choose Full Screen Mode from that menu. The moment you select it, Excel will tuck away the ribbon, tabs, and other panels to give your worksheet the maximum possible space. This is perfect for reviewing wide tables, comparing columns side by side, or sharing your screen without the clutter of toolbars. Don't worry, your files, formulas, and formatting are unaffected. You're simply changing how the workspace is displayed. If you need to momentarily access a command while in full screen, move your cursor toward the top of the window to reveal the interface, or return to the same menu to switch back when you're done. There's also a quick way to toggle this with the keyboard. Press Ctrl, Shift, and F1 together to enter or exit full screen mode. This shortcut is a time saver if you switch views frequently during editing or presenting. On some keyboards, especially laptops, you may need to hold the Fn key as well to access F1. If the shortcut doesn't respond at first, check whether your function keys are set to media controls and adjust accordingly in your system or keyboard settings. A quick tip as you work. Full screen is different from simply hiding the ribbon. Hiding the ribbon frees up some vertical space, but full screen maximizes your worksheet area end to end, which is ideal for dense dashboards and large datasets. If you don't see the full screen option, make sure your Excel is up to date, or try expanding the window to reveal all display controls. That's all you need to view full screen in Excel: fast, clean, and focused. Try it now to give your data the space it deserves.